Yes.
And my lord, on 2nd of December 24, they decide not to continue with the freeze under FEMA and now rely upon this. So look at the manner in which the entire exercise has happened. And that is why our urgency to come before this honorable court on this interim part, that my lord, the entire working of the companies have been put into a jam. And interestingly, not a single complaint has been registered by any investor. That FIR before Noida is at the instance of ED. Your Lordship sees the last order. Your last order, in fact, will reflect the fact that there is no such complaint. Now, FEMA proceedings otherwise do not make out a scheduled offense. So now you twist and turn the entire thing and now say that there are proceedings which are being initiated under the FIR.
See the FIR.
By yourself. Let's see the FIR. This was handed over last time.
F of our counter,
Their counter has it.
page 188.
But there's there in their counter also.
Counter में file कर
Saying that. Annexure F followed in their counter, page 188.
Yes.
Your Lordship, it will start from 191.
Type copy is at 201.
Even this can be read. To the Commissioner of Police, sharing of information about VNow and the companies are named under section 66(2) of PMLA. Madam, kindly refer to subject above. In this regard, it is informed that this directorate conducted such proceedings under the provisions of FEMA on 1710 at various places related to the companies. Now those are thereafter described, my lord, and persons associated with the said entities. During the course of the investigation and searches conducted by this office, it was revealed that VSML under its MyCloud Particle brand is offering customers an investment opportunity to buy data center assets or cloud particles through SLB, sale and lease back model, whereby once a customer buys a data center asset or cloud particle, it will immediately be leased back on a long-term basis by VSML marketing affiliates such as ZIPL and ZRPL for a minimum guaranteed monthly rental for the serviceable life of the said particle for a period of not more than 120 months or 10 years. Each cloud particle comprises of 1 terabyte of cloud storage space. The model may be understood as follows, along with the role of various companies, VIPL and IT equipment from different suppliers and sells to VSML, servers data storage facility, VSML purchase servers from MS VIPL and sells data space aka cloud particles to various individuals investors, sells cloud particles, pays purchase cost, individual investors purchases cloud particles from VSML and leases it back to market affiliates ZIPL and ZRPL. These cloud particles pays assured monthly rental for leased cloud particles, ZIPL and ZRPL. Lease back the cloud particles from the individual investors for a monthly assured rental for a minimum period of 10 years. Pools cloud particles and provides data center services to their clients. Provides data center services, pays charges for data center services, user of data service during the course of search conducted by this office at the data center of VIPL at Kasra number so-and-so, Meerut Road, Ghaziabad, on 1710 to 1810, statements of Himanshu, Senior VP, Messrs. VIPL, Arun Marwa, Architect IT Department, were recorded under 37 FEMA, read with 132 of IT Act, and a report was submitted to Varun Chandiok, Chartered Engineer, regarding the assessment of installed hardware at the premises. Copy of the Panchnama dated 1810. Please, my lord. Oh, I see. Is enclosed as Annexure A, and the copy of the report submitted by Varun Chandiok, Chartered Engineer, is enclosed as Annexure B. The findings of the search statements of Himanshu Kumar, Arun Marwaha, and certificate of Chartered Engineer are summarized as follows. As on 18/10/24, the total storage capacity of the currently active servers at the Morta Data Center is only 553 terabyte, as stated by Arun Marwaha, Himanshu Kumar, and certified by Varun Chandiok. Only 1.9 TB space is presently consumed, and storage space is 551.1 TB is available or empty. Further consumed 1.9 TB data pertains to test open stack cloud data, and no data pertaining to any customer is available in these working servers, as stated by Marwaha. Also, no customer type care type service is being provided from this premise, as stated by Arun Marwaha. Also, there are 1,119 servers at the premises which were not connected to any power source, therefore not in working condition, as stated by Arun Marwaha. Also, a SCN issued by SGST was found at the premises, which had raised a demand for the inadmissible ITC taken by ZRPL by purchasing goods and services from bogus suppliers. The total invoice of such transactions is this much, 66 crores. During the course of the search proceedings at zonal office on 17/10, statement dated 17/10 of Tarun Tiwari and Arvind Tiwari was recorded. Son of Arvind Tiwari was recorded. In his statement, Tarun Tiwari submitted documents depicting presentation given by VSML to individual investors containing the details of the business model as detailed above. On perusal of the said documents, the following detailed prices offered by VSML to various individuals investors for sale of cloud particles are observed. Then the prices are mentioned, my lord. And the lease period is mentioned. Rental is mentioned.
What is the allegation?
I really can't understand what the allegation is. Now, if your lordship comes to page 195.
No, no, please, 197. 7 in the middle.
197 middle, my lord. Therefore, it will come. Therefore, it is established.
Therefore, the investors
Your lordship has this. Therefore, the investors are being cheated, and in all likelihood,
likelihood,
their invested money is at risk. So there is a risk for their invested money, that is cheating.
likelihood.
That there is a likelihood, your lordship finds at page 197. Therefore, investors are being cheated, and in all likelihood, their invested money is at risk. Who is saying this? Therefore, it is established that Vinu Marketing, in connivance with other entities, have dishonestly induced investors to invest in cloud particles by selling them cloud particles which do not exist, and therefore cheated and breached the trust of these individuals. Who is saying this? Which investor has come forward to say this?
Are there any agreements entered into between the parties? There must.
Please, my lord.
These are investments done to pursuant to an agreement.
Yes.
Yes.
They are written agreements of what date?
Yes, my lord, there will be written agreements.